Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, the focus is on weather verbs. These are action words that describe what the weather does. Understanding these verbs helps you describe the world around you more naturally. Let's begin exploring how we talk about rain, snow, shine, wind, and freezing weather in English. The first weather verb is rain. The word rain means that water falls from clouds in the sky. When it rains, the ground becomes wet and you may need an umbrella. For example, it rains almost every day during the monsoon season. Another example is take an umbrella, it might rain later. The word rain can act as both a noun and a verb. In this lesson, rain is used as a verb describing what the weather does. The next verb is snow. The word snow means frozen water crystals fall from the sky. When it snows, the air is cold and the ground becomes white. You might hear people say, "It snows a lot in the mountains," or "Children love to play when it snows." Snow is another verb that describes an action done by the weather. It means something is happening in the sky that changes what we see on the ground. The next verb is shine. Shine means to give bright light, usually from the sun. When the sun shines, the day becomes bright and warm. For example, the sun shines brightly in the morning. Another example is, after the rain, the sky shines clear and blue. Shine shows a positive action, something that brings light and warmth to the world. The next verb is blow. The word blow means that air moves strongly, especially when there is wind. For example, the wind blows from the sea to the land. Or we can say, the storm is blowing hard outside. Blow is used for motion that comes from air or wind. It helps describe the movement that you can feel even though you cannot see the air itself. The next verb is freeze. Freeze means water turns into ice because of cold temperature. When the temperature falls, water can freeze and become solid. For example, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Another sentence is, the lake froze during winter. Freeze tells us that something cold has changed its form from liquid to solid. Weather verbs can appear in many forms depending on the time something happens. In the present, we say, it rains in April, or the wind blows softly today. In the past, we say, it snowed last night, or the sun shone after the clouds cleared. Notice how the verbs change their forms based on time. Learning these tenses helps you describe weather accurately for past, present, and future situations. Here is a quick summary of the 5 main weather verbs. Rain means water falls from the clouds. Snow means frozen water crystals fall from the sky. Shine means the sun gives bright light. Blow means wind moves strongly. Freeze means water turns into ice. Practice using these verbs in short and simple sentences. The more you use them, the easier it becomes to talk about the weather naturally in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.